yeah, it's gon' be big. And I keep running on me, that bitch sing. Yeah, I keep it loaded, most certainly. Yeah, I keep it loaded. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah, shawty, just ride the way, yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. Yeah, I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah, if you want ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah, shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way. You coming with me 'cause you might not survive in it. I got the juice, I'm in a high ceiling. Just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign to you. But I keep two in that bitch vibe, yeah. I got a lie, homie, it's about 5, homie. I'ma survive, homie. Flying around with a chopper, yeah, I can need a new chopper. If you want something to die for, rolling what can you decide though? I can keep off on the ops though, I don't get caught in the lie though. Brought me a brand new coupe, keeping that bitch in a hobby, rolling around in a zombie. You can't move with me, just stay away, ho. Hey, I keep the real shit, I'm in the real shit. The just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. Yeah. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah. If you want ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way. Come and just hop in the ride, I got the drop top. Shawty just feeling the wave, I'm in a high spot. FBO wet, diamonds, juices dancing. I keep it floating, I got the whole beam. Something about it just looking at me, you define me. Got a little drip on you, moving some shit, now you cocky. Shawty been moving away, gotta revise, yeah. And Shawty don't lie to me, she be fine with me. This on me, I walk, how I do that. Shawty been bad as fuck, how I do that. You can't do like me, I move like Sims do. Catching the weight up, I got a blade up. Yeah, yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. Yeah. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah. If you want ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? How we doing? Tapping in today. We are all tapping in, right? I will hope so. Let me go ahead and hold on, y'all. We're gonna get today right. I had the wrong one. Okay, that's funny. Yo, what's good, everybody? Got my protein shake for today. I'm trying to get some money today. All right, so first and foremost, let me talk about. So I passed the first phase. Hey, congrats. Yo, Muhammad. Yo, PS. What's up? Neil, what's up? We got Xavier. What's up? Shorty right the way. Michelle, what's up? Business Promo, what's up? What's going on, everybody? So before we start, obviously with trading today, I want y'all to know that we're doing a giveaway today. So you guys see right up there, if you read that's sliding this way or whatever, we're doing a giveaway today. So if you guys aren't already a part of Hanko Trade, make sure you go ahead and sign up. You must put $100 in the account in order for you guys to get the giveaway. So you must fund your account with $100. You must fund your account with $100, y'all. Damn, I can't even. I gotta. All right, cool. All right, but before I go into that, I kind of already see a setup happening for goddamn. I see a setup happening for USD yen. I kept my eye open on this one, guys, and I think we're gonna get in this one ASAP. Hold on, because this actually happened a little faster. Damn. Let's see. Short, long. Stop loss gotta be right there though. Let's see. This is dollar on my right hand side, by the way. What's our 101? Oh, this is perfect. It's resting at this high. I want to try to catch this one next. That TP next. Cool. Let's see. Let me go in a 1 minute. All right, y'all. I'm about to hop in this trade. Let's see if we can catch a W with this one. This one just happening too fast for me. Damn. I ain't even got my stuff set up yet. I'm gonna do 3 lots. And then I'm gonna do another 3 lots. We're gonna see with this one. Let's see how we start off with this one. So let me go ahead and transfer to this screen. All right, y'all, so here's my count. I decided to get in 3 lots, so 6 lots total with wow, my gosh, y'all, I'm all over the place. USD yen. Damn, that's what we in right now. That's what I'm in right now. I'm not gonna tell y'all like, oh, this is what y'all need to get, because yeah, like, due to disclaimer purposes, I ain't trying to get in trouble. So this is what I'm trading. But we'll see, man. We'll see how this one plays out. All right, guys. So this is what I was saying. Currently we're in UJ, sorry. But what I was saying is we're doing a giveaway today. It's $500 giveaway. We're going to be selecting 3 to 4 winners. So you guys must have $100 in the account. You have to make sure you use the link, because we won't know, right? We just won't know. So you got to make sure you use that link up top. And then you guys sign up. And then by the end of this week, which will be 11/11, that's when we'll go ahead and close it. And then I think next week we will announce the winner. And then you guys will get the $500 and everything like that. So that's what we got going on. And yeah, we'll see what we got going on. Now, guys, let's get this to 100 likes. Let's get this to 100 likes. Let's get this to 100 likes. I like it. I'm using them now. Like, I like the spreads they have. It's really good, in my opinion. Their spreads has just been pretty good, especially with indices. All right, guys. So Once again, dollar's doing this liquidity phase thing. Like I always say, liquidity phase is where it likes to grab liquidity both ways before it goes the other way that we want it to go. So I see that we could be tapping above this high, which is around, I would say it is around 110,600, right? And then, you know, it coming up to some of these levels up here, which would be something like this right here. So yeah. Somebody said, do I trade gold? Everything that you see on here is what I trade. It was just with UJ, I just seen something right away. So, you know, that's what I got going on with UJ. My TPs, let me just keep this right here. This is my TP. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my goal is to grow my $4,000 account to 40K. That's my goal. That's what I'm looking to do. Overall trades, we had 24. We had 6 L's, and then for live, me actually trading live, like on my streams, we did 9 wins so far and 2 L's. Let's look at another one. So if dollar's going up, that means we got GU, gold, Euro USD, AUD USD trending down. Gold looks very nice, but y'all know, for those that's been following me for a minute, I don't just like to trade double tops or anything like that, even though we are reacting off of this liquidity like pool, I like to call it, POI level. So seeing that is accurate, I wanted to break this low first before I actually tap in for a sell. Let's let it break out of this low first and see what we got going on. So if we can break out of this low, I'm gonna wait on a pullback, because if I was to take a sell off a breakout, it would have to be this low right here. But I'm gonna wait on a pullback, and then we'll see, because I still see that this could still, because this is, dollar is in consolidation for sure, you know. So this gonna be a little weird. We're gonna see how this one gonna end up playing out, because yeah, dollar is in crazy consolidation right now. And if we can get a new lower high, I want to adjust my stop loss too. %, win ratio. Yeah, that's what it is so far. My average usually, like if I was to take it out for a whole year, it's usually like 78. That's like my average, 76, 78 win ratio percentage. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Dear love mate, what's up? How many trades I take a year? I gotta relook at that stats. I scalp the mess out the market, so I can be taking like, I can honestly be taking like hundreds of trades. What I recommend doing, so I recommend Bitcoin. I recommend doing Bitcoin. Hold on. I recommend doing Bitcoin. If not Bitcoin, you can do what's the other one? You can do Ethereum as well. Just so you guys can see, like I said, I'm in the process of trying to grow this account. right now. I think I'm gonna cash out. I'm gonna cash out once we hit $10,000. I'm gonna cash out some dollars once we hit $10,000. Let's add an alert with gold. GU. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading GU today. You want me to do analysis on GU? I don't think I'm gonna trade GU today. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been looking at it earlier this morning, but I don't think I'm gonna trade it. My only pairs that I'm really interested in right now, it would be gold and USD. Everything else is choppy right now. I use OBS to stream. I use OBS and I also use OBS Streamlabs. And then like my equipment setup that I got, I have a Sony A700. I got a Logic webcam right up there. Actually, I never use it. Let me see. If I was to turn this off, turn that on, that's my webcam up there. I don't use it though. Got this mic here, of course, and I got like all the setups. Guys, I see we got 200 people. Let's get this to 100 likes, y'all. Let's get this to 100 likes. 100 likes. Because with dollar, like I said, we trending down. We gotta come back to some of these levels. Yeah. Y'all, we at 90. Let's get this to 150 likes. I appreciate that y'all showing so much love right now. It's cool. All right. So with dollar, like I said, long term wise, I see we're doing our liquidity phase is what I like to call it. We are in heavy consolidation, so be aware of this, guys. That market is going to probably be playing with us for some time. But let's just be patient, be calm. Remind you, do not overtrade. Please don't overtrade and do not trade too much. But with dollar, like I said, I do see it going up per se. And then also not only that, guys, I talk about this liquidity phase where market likes to grab liquidity going down first, and then it would like to grab the liquidity going up and then tap into some like POI levels, which would be my extreme would be this high point here and my midpoint would be right there. And then when it taps into these areas, I'm looking for it to continue to go down if that was the overall bias on a higher scale, which, you know, it is essentially, but let's just see what happens with the play. And then, like I said, if dollar is going to be going up, then I would expect USD to shoot up as well. Now, if we go into yen, right, and just focus on yen, you see that yen is dropping. I was looking at this earlier. If you guys see here, yen is just dropping and dropping and dropping. So if yen can drop aggressively, then we can get dollar USD yen to shoot up for sure. But this is beautiful because if you focus on this most recent range right here, we see that market is reacting off of that. Let me scale down further to look at some POI levels, which we have right there. This will be considered my extreme. My midpoint, we already tapped over that. So yeah, I'm definitely looking on yen to shoot down, as we already broke these lows down here, right? Yeah, just tapping in, and then if yen is going to come up, which I do see it possibly coming up a bit, which could tap into some of these levels here. I could see it tap back up here, but I'm more concerned about this one here, because if we see, I will probably see it tap in here if it decides to shoot up. Otherwise, let's get this yen pair to shoot down. Guys, go ahead, make sure you like the video. Go ahead, like the video. Let's see. PS, what would be a nice late entry on UJ? No, if it was to come back down here, yeah. Which I could see that happening though. If we really pay attention, I could see it even coming down here and then shooting up. I can definitely see that. Because if dollar decides to react off of this extreme low, then I can definitely see you coming up right here and then going up. Yeah, gold is doing what I wanted to do now. We broke this low right here, right? We broke out of this low. Notice how I got this range. We got a bigger range and a smaller range. This is the bigger, this is that bigger range. This is the smaller range. So I want to see gold come here. Hold on. I want to see gold tap in here. I mean, we got a lot of liquidity built all up in here. So just tap in here, and then we could possibly look for that sell off to the downside. And we could probably let's see. Yeah, this would be a nice trade right here. Because if, like I said, if dollar, it just depends on what we can do with dollar. I'm mainly focused on gold and UJ. Thank you, Michelle. Let's hit the thumbs up video, guys. Let's get this to 200 likes. Let's get this 200 likes. Of course, when you guys show more support, the more streams I will do per day. Well, per week. Okay, guys, so I put this note here. Put this here. Thank you, Jay. I appreciate that, Jay Finesse. I appreciate that. All right, so guys, basically we'll go. I wanted to tap into this area here because, like I said, there's a lot of liquidity build up here, and like I said, banks love that. Banks love to see liquidity built. And then with dollar, like I said, dollar may be trending down further down here, so that means UJ could be coming further down. That's why I do have my stop loss further down here, just in case if that does occur. But if we get stopped out, I already know where I'm about to re-enter at, because I know somebody asked about re-entry, and if it comes further down here, but it does not tap me out, if it does not tap me out and it decides to come to my extreme, I am probably going to actually get in another trade and still hold these trades and get another trade here, because that would make sense. But let's see what dollar does, because I will want it to tap in anywhere between here and then shoot up to my TP1 before we actually shoot further down, because like I said, guys, I'm looking forward to go up. So with dollar, like I said, or with gold, I wanted to tap in my POI, and then I will be looking hopefully for that sell-off. My setup is very simple of what I look for. I want to see a lower high being formed, breaking out of that. I want to see that most recent range be created. Off of that most recent range, I want to see if there's another POI levels, which is anything from an order block, a high, a low. Whenever you guys see a higher low, that is a POI level, essentially. And then you can look for the market to come tap in and then shoot down. I had somebody that had asked me, how is the supply demand order blocks all can be the same? Well, a lot of times, a lot of people don't really know the true value of supply demand. They just draw a box and say, oh, this is my supply level, and draw a box and say this is my demand level. Well, that's not really 100% accurate. It's true, but it's not 100% accurate, because what really is going on is that you got to understand the range in the market, right? The impulsive trend. So let's say that this is our impulsive trend. We take our Fibonacci and we just figure out where's the balance in between this. So once we find that balance, we know anything above that 50 is all supply, anything below that 50 is all demand. So technically, when you get into supply demand, all of this is supply up top, and all of this is demand below. So even if we zoom out into our bigger range, which is here to here, anything above this 50 is all supply, anything below this is all demand. What happens is banks like to upsell the price, drop it down so we all can get it again, and then they raise the price even more after they, let's say the price was $100, and then everybody and their mama is like, all right, cool, $100, I'm buying it. Once they buy it, what's going to happen is they don't have enough inventory now to sell more. So what they're going to do is increase the price even more so they can stop having sellers coming in trying to purchase that. And then once they reach a lot more inventory, they're going to mark down that price. And when they mark down that price, that is when the market will drop. But they mark down the price once it comes at a equilibrium balance 50 in between a previous trend. So that's usually how it works, right? And that's kind of how I break it down, just to simplify it. That is exactly called a retest. Guys, everybody that's in, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video. Let's get this to 200 likes. Current trade. Let me go ahead and put this in just in case. Our current trade is, for everybody that's joining, I'm just letting y'all know what I'm currently in right now.
Give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. Talking big, big. I knew that one day that I could make it big, big. I'm talking how to stay smoking without a sense. Now we get up and do it like we got a big rig. It's getting serious. I know you're curious. See some losses through the process had me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you reckon with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah, hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah, this one for the
One thing I want y'all to also be cautious of is understanding and following the recent ranges, because I know a lot of people get stuck on. Sometimes they'll be like, "Oh, this is the range," but then you start seeing markets still doing this. So you got to understand that you got to be able to adapt to some of these ranges here. That's why market is still never, fully tapped down, but it could tap down fully and then go further up because it is acting off this range. But that is something that you will learn off just as time comes, because a lot of times when you see a lot of minor lows are being broken, it's acting off of like a smaller range like that or like this, so it's you guys got to understand that, because when you start drawing these fibs and you're like, oh, I never came to this level, it just came to a level off of a current range, But if anybody wants to re-enter in UJ, I'm honestly going to say either wait on it to tap in here or wait on it to tap in here, which I do see it tapping back in these levels for sure. And like I said earlier, if it comes further down here, I would possibly be looking for another entry and still holding these positions as well. So we're going to keep our eye open for sure. Yeah, because this is the only good entry I can see. Frank, all of the information is right there. Currently in UJ for a buy around 146, 147 is where I'm gonna be taking the TP to, and I will be looking for another entry for UJ because I know it is gonna go down. Just want to see what level it's gonna go down to. Right, let's get this to 200 likes. 200 likes. 200 likes. 200 likes. Hey, look at this. Shooting up like I wanted to. Dollar must be shooting down. Yep, it's doing this thing. Yep, it's doing this thing. Definitely doing this thing. Definitely passed that one. All of this is all. All of this is all. What's good? What's good? GG. All right, guys. So while we wait, let's talk about the giveaway. So basically, the giveaway is you must already have a Hanko Trade account with the link is up there. You have to actually sign up through that link because that's the only way we will be able to know who will win. So make sure you guys, if you haven't already used that link, you know, it's the same link I put in the descriptions in all my videos, and also in my Discord. You must also have a $100 deposit in your account. You must do a $100 deposit, and then from there, from starting today until the end of the week, you have all of this week to trade, and whoever is the most profitable as far as percentages, not your account, right? Because it would be unfair if somebody has 100 and somebody has a $5,000 account. So we're going to be doing off the percentages and going off that, right? So that's how we're going to calculate the wins. And yeah, you guys can't cheat either. You can't get in the trade and then right when it go one pip in your favor, get out. That's not how we're going to look at it. We're going to make sure y'all not doing that, but yeah. All right, guys, so UJ is shooting down like I am anticipating on it to tap into this level here or tap into this level here. Where's dollar at? Okay, yeah, dollar is going down. You guys got to understand range, right? My range that I do see is a couple ranges. We have this from here to here, as well as this from here to here. Those are literally my two ranges I see. So that's why you guys see that I also have a POI level here, and my stop loss is down here. Like I said, if market could react off of this range, that would be cool because I can adjust my stop loss now. If not, if market come here, I'm gonna definitely hopefully look for another trade to get into as well. So let's keep our eyes open. Let's see what we can get for market to tap into. Yeah. One pip is crazy. I know, right? Let's go to dollar because I got my eye on dollar right. I mean, gold right now. And then guys, like I said, for a dollar, or I keep saying dollar, for gold, this is what I am looking for. Literally, I want it to come up, right? Come up, and then I want it to break out of this low first. Once it breaks out of that low, then I would like for it to, I would like for it to tap down past that and then react off of this range and then shoot down. Because if dollar's going down, well, if dollar's supposed to be going up, gold should be shooting down. And right now we waiting on dollar to act off of some of these levels right here. This level and some of these levels down here. Because like I said, UJ, you know, this is my other level here. And we got a level here that I wanted to see it tap into, which it is doing now. And it would be the exact same setup that I'm looking for as well, which would be, hold on, let me redo this. Break past that low, tap in, and then shoot. Or it can break past this one, come out that low, shoot, and then up. Yo, Sway, what's up, man? What you said? You just said that UJ reacting off of 146,405. Did I put that down or you got that too? Are you talking about this? Okay, there you talking about that supply level. Yep. Yep. Yo, Sway is one of a student of mine that I actually taught one-on-one, so he's really good at what he say, man. Just know just knows some of y'all better pay attention. He knows what he's doing. He actually had passed the funded account. I don't know if you still got your funded account, but I'm just letting people know, like, yeah, you know what you're doing, man. And I like just seeing that. Should we get in again now? No, we gotta wait. Y'all. We gotta wait. We gotta wait on structure to form and then break, and then we can get in again. Right now it's forming structure, then it's gotta break the structure, then we gotta wait on it to pull back, and then we can get in again. That sounds like a lot, but that's the best way to get in trades, in my opinion. That's how we have good high win ratios. All right, guys, hold on. We're going to look at some other pairs, too, while we wait. You can't hear me. That's on you, man. I don't know what's going on. All right, guys, so let me look at yen and see what we got going on. Yeah, yen is still dropping. We still dropping with yen. I'm looking at this range right here from this high to this low. This is my range that I see for yen. So, you know, if yen is dropping, then expect all other yen pairs to drop as well. And then some of the lows I want yen to tap into is literally, oh, look at all this liquidity build up right there. Dollar, you know, well, if we can get dollar to come and acting off these levels right here, this is what I'm looking for it to tap into to shoot up further into this liquidity area up here as well. So let's see. We'll see what that does. Have I traded silver before? Nah, I don't trade silver. Let's see. What did you say? You said, what do you think about 5% on 60 days my Forex funds? Is that hard? Easy. 5%, 60 days? Yeah, that's like 2.5 a month. So that's perfect. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. That is perfect. You're only asking yourself for 2.5% gain. That's perfect. Absolutely. So I already checked news, y'all. We don't have anything crazy, just to let y'all know. But I am going to go to our calculator real fast just to show you guys something. So if we go to our risk, he said, what did you say, 100K account? Let's say you got a 100K account and you're only looking for a 2.5. Okay, hold on. There we go. A 2.5, you're basically making about 2,500 every month. That's perfect. Somebody mentioned Fomatic News. I seen that. I thought that was just. Oh yeah, it is today. Okay, yeah, that's today. It was low, nothing major. So I kind of not really paid too much attention. Like last week was crazy though. Y'all know last week we had so much heavy news going on. Somebody said, did I really need a calculator for that? No, I did not need a calculator for that. I was just literally showing you guys the calculator as I was putting it in there. Y'all funny. Y'all funny. You said what time? Oh, this is already happening now. This is where I'm looking on it. All of this right here. This is my POI level. Let me. Somebody said cap. Anything about trading on election day? I don't know. I gotta see how it plays out. I gotta see how that plays out. Yes, I do trade the Smart Money Concept ideas. Basically, just to sum it down, really like supply demand. It's just the terminologies that I use. That's really, my main thing, the terminologies that I use. Everything else is quiet. It's been quiet. This was. If this is usually what happens, y'all. If 1 week has been very positive, like just aggressive moves nonstop. Usually, what happens is the next week will usually be a more correction, consolidation going on, just because it did all of the bigger plays, you know, within the previous week. So usually when you see that's why you always see an intense impulsive wave, and then you get this longer correction. That's usually the case. I never heard of no other strategies, y'all. How much do I make per day with this strategy? Honestly, man, I don't really dollar amount it. I do more percentages. NASDAQ 100, man, I want to see what we can get with this one, because this one's going to be pretty interesting to see. If I go to, let's see, VTI, yeah, same thing. We're in correction right now. I will want it to break out of this high to come up to some of these levels here for VTI. So if VTI could do the same, then that means NASDAQ US S&P will be the same way as VTI. We gotta see, y'all. We gotta see. We're just in too much consolidation. But I do see down moves, though. We do have a minor downtrend for sure. Yes, you can copy my trades, absolutely. I am currently in UJ right now, as you guys see down below. We're looking to tap to these highs right here, and then gold, guys, is actually doing this thing right now. So gold is breaking out of this low, waiting on a more aggressive move. But let's see, because I usually like to enter 30 seconds if I'm like analyzing a 1 minute time frame. I'm putting an alert here so I can. This is my song, Ride the Wave. You can get it on YouTube. You can stream it. That's exactly what we about to do. Ride the wave. David, yes, I trade every day except for Fridays and yeah, just really Fridays and the weekends. Hold on, somebody said something and I just went away. Okay. Hey, I'm a beginner trader. I don't know what to spend for money. Long-term investment. How do I get investments with the daily trading, and what books and advice? I would say it's very important for you to focus on. Hey, I'm a beginner trader. And I don't know what to do. Should I put money in index? I would say, yeah, keep your money in ETFs. Keep your money in some index. Absolutely. I personally invested into a lot of ETFs myself. A lot of technical ETFs as well. Technology ETFs, sorry. So I would say that's definitely a big plus right there. Yeah, absolutely. And a lot of books I would honestly prefer to read is psychology books, because a lot of everything else you can learn for free online, like mastering the art of trading, all of that. But the number one thing that nobody cannot really teach, because it's just everybody's different, is mental. Gold has change of character. Yeah, it did a change of character. It's doing it now, actually. I was waiting on it to tap up here further, though. Yeah, I hear a lot of people say Trading in the Zone is a really good book. Trading in the Zone is a really good book. I hear a lot of traders talk about that book. Like when somebody refers to it, they literally say Trading in the Zone. I haven't read that book per se, but yeah, I do believe that seems like a great book because I hear everybody talk about it. I never read it, so I'm not gonna say yeah, get the book. I'm just going off what everybody else say. Me personally, only book that I really read off of like mainly physically trading is Elliott Principles. I believe it's what it's called, Wave Principles. That's what, you know, kind of opened my eyes a little bit more in trading. But like I said, man, a lot of books that I say the best is to read is a lot of psychology books. Something I'm actually about to start tapping myself into as well. Somebody said, Solo, how many trades do you take per day? How many trades I take per day? I can usually take about 5 to 10. 3 is usually what I like to go for, but if we talking about London, New York, and Asian, about 5. But usually 3 to 2 is like mine. I'm like, all right, good. We pretty good. Especially if I like double my account times, you know, maybe if I get it to like a 10% or something, like a 5%, yeah. This is my 101 right here. This is our 1 or 2. Like I said, I just want another lower high. I want to confirm that this is an accurate lower high because I'm going to adjust my stop loss. So you got a Discord where you send your, yes, this is my Discord is where I send all of my setups and trade ideas and all that. I haven't even entered in Go yet. I go live every day except for Fridays. I just went live last Friday just because I didn't go live the other Fridays. All right, y'all. We just got an alert that we just tapped into. Okay, so let's see what we can get. Well, I was really waiting on it to tap in there, but let's go ahead and go back to 1 minute now. Let's see if we can get a setup soon. We aggressive right now. Yeah, we aggressive right now. Oh, okay, I was like, hold on, we ain't got no crazy news going on like right now. Wait, I had to make sure. Yeah, I'm from Detroit, but I stay in the Chicago area. It's all the same in my opinion. Still in the Midwest. Cold as hell. All right, so y'all see that gold hold on. Gold is still, hold on, why is this doing that? All right, yeah, gold is going to be starting now reacting off of all of this liquidity. Like, we got so much liquidity, guys. All in here is all liquidity. So I'm gonna have to expand this because if you see here, we got liquidity resting here, liquidity resting up here. So all of this is liquidity, and this is my most recent low right now. However, I'm pretty sure we might get another minor low formed inside here, and if so, then that is the structure move that I'm looking for my setup to sell. Wanted to break out of that low, pull back, and then we look for entries based off candle, price action patterns, all of that. Yeah, we got our eye. We got all of our eyes on dollar for sure. So guys, for those that's tapping in, I had said this actually last night in my other live stream that and like I said this in my live stream that gold has been dropping, guys. Gold has been dropping. If it does decide to change direction, we will have to wait on structure. We not finna just, oh yeah, it is going to change because of this and that. No, because if you've been saying that, you probably was saying that right here, probably saying that right here, and look what happened. So, you know, if market's going down, it's like a freight train, guys. If you see on the daily, the 4-hour scale, that market is trending down, you put yourself with that train. Who's winning? Not you. So we got to make sure we understand that. So if we tap in and we look on a higher scale, look at our most recent range, this impulsive trend. Inside this impulsive trend, we got a lot of liquidity buildup. Midpoint is here. My extreme would be right there. So I'm looking on market. I see market is already reacting off all of this right here, which we can now go on a smaller scale, like go straight to the 15-minute, and then we can start looking for those nice little scalp moves. For those that's new to me, follow or hasn't really been following me, then I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I scalp the mess out the market, right? I do a lot of scalping. 30-second time frames to 1-minute entries is what I'm usually looking for my entry points. So when somebody say, oh, I'm gonna buy it, yeah, long-term buy, I see that, but I'm still looking for that short-term sell. Y'all appreciate it. We got this to 400 watches. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I appreciate that. Let's see what y'all talking about. Anyone learn ICT? More total BS trading. No live trade. All waste of time. Watching this. I don't know. Are you referring to me? I'm confused. More total BS trading. No live trades. What? So what is this right here? I'm confused. I hope he ain't talking about us. Y'all know I keep it humble and authentic here. This is my account. I'm doing a $4,000 account to 40K. That's my goal. Rather if I blow it or succeed. Everybody wants that. I don't know. There's a lot of trolls, and a lot of these people that's trolling, I swear, they just trolls. They're good at trolling. I remember last week somebody was like, let's see who can. We had another troll talking about who has the best trade or something like that. It was 1 versus 1. I'm like, bro, we not finna test who got the biggest trades. Come on now. Talking about my trades is BS. I'm doing this purposely. Nah, I swear I'm not worried about it. I just love these type of things because it's all drama, and we all know everybody loves drama, which attracts attention. And yeah, it's just funny to me though, because I will actually put somebody out if they try to talk, especially in this live stream. I don't go for that. I like to show people up quick. Look at this drop with dollars. Look, I'm pretty sure it's about to create a new low. Like, this is the most recent low, but if it creates this new low, which we gotta wait, yeah, that's gonna be that market shift we want to see. Right, that's what I'm saying. My record shows it, so I just that's why I sometimes do stay quiet. I don't even say much, but yeah, you got people in here that just too much of a troll, They want to create something. I'm like, nah, we ain't gonna do that here. On US30, I was looking at it. I don't really see much happening right now. But yeah, bro, I grew this account, like, and I did this all live. And if you weren't in my live streams, I did this all in my Discord too. So like, I'm showing you guys. Like I said, these live streams isn't like signals. It's just showing you that a trader trading live with a live account with live money, doing live results, trying to show you how I can control, how I handle my trades, how I look at trades while I'm in a trade, how disciplined or non-disciplined I am. So when you guys say like, oh, okay, Solo, you know, oh, he's a normal trader, he still, you know, has a little fear of this and that, or he's still like, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want y'all to know, like, there's no such thing as a perfect trader out there that's gonna, oh, yeah, I'm gonna take this and it's gonna hit. Like, no, like, sometimes I'll be like, let me reanalyze or something like that, you know. And that's why I do these live streams, so we all can see how just how other traders trade, you know, traders that you want to be in a shoe with, or maybe you want to be better, you want to see how they trade live, so you can understand how they look at market and so forth. And that's exactly what we're doing here. That's exactly what we're doing here. So I'm giving you guys knowledge, showing you how I look at everything, my point of view from people I've been teaching, and then going from there. No, I appreciate it. It actually took me a while to start live streaming, man. This is more discipline. Like, live streaming is probably, I salute any YouTuber on here that live streams. Like, literally, that live streams, I salute. Especially if they're showing their account too. I salute them, because y'all don't understand, man. It's a discipline game, because you have so many people on the chat right now that probably be like, oh, I'm gonna sell it, or oh, I'm looking for a sell and a buy, and then you got other people coming in here trolling, telling you this and that. So it's a lot to it. It's a lot to it. And I promise you, I was not going to do this originally, because I just like, it's too much. But as I adapt to teaching more people live trading and all that, I kind of got used to it. So I'm not going to quit, man. I love these live streams too. I swear, this is better than me doing pre-recorded videos. I swear. I love it, because y'all can really see me authentic. I feel like when I do like pre-recorded videos, it's kind of like, I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, I will be going live tomorrow for sure. Let's see. Proof and put in is here. Those shows I gotta go. That is the mark of a great trader. What strategy do you use? What confirmation are you looking for? I'm gonna talk about that in a bit. I'm thankful for live streams. I appreciate y'all. These are awesome. Keep doing them. I'm never gonna stop. I gotta be honest, I wasn't as much as a fan until you start doing live streams. I appreciate the authentic with that, man. I definitely appreciate that. The honesty, man. I love it. What's your views on the ICT methods? ICT methods is good. Every method, you know, could be good, but a lot of people think ICT methods is the only method, but it's really there's a lot of other great things out there, you know. And I'm never gonna knock nobody else down. He has a big following, that's for sure, and his following grew fast. That is for sure. I would say that. But I will say honestly, man, a lot of stuff that he does teach is the simplest way to look at Wyckoff theory. You know, he kind of helped refine the order blocks and definitely really mastered that too. So yeah, everybody got theirs. There's actually a couple other traders I like. They got some crazy little ways they trade. Everybody got their own style. We believe in you. Don't worry. We got your back, brother. Hey, I appreciate that, Anthony. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. For real. Appreciate that. Go to, no, thank you. I appreciate that. Have you, let's see. No, I don't trade. No, I just trade. I stick to candlesticks. Stick to candlesticks. Let me tap this back down here so y'all know what we got going on. Alright, y'all, look, man. I think let me go to dollar. Dollar is still, dollar's my cheat code, honestly, y'all. Dollar is my cheat code for trades. And I still ain't believing in dollar right now. We can still tap down further, y'all. UJ is holding very well, so that's a good sign. So I'm pretty sure if UJ is holding very well while dollar is dropping, once this goes up with dollar, oh yeah, UJ is about to take off. Because usually when dollar's dropping like this, UJ should be, but we will see. We will see. Let's be patient. Let's wait. I see a 30-second trade, y'all. Let me see something. Simple one-on-one trade, and it ain't even nowhere near this low. Oh, this is fire. I like this. I like this entry. I am not in anything right now. I will let y'all know if I'm tapping into something. I want to see it break out of this low. By the way, guys, I'm gonna get and go for a sell possibly if it plays out, but this sell right here is going to be a really super risky one just because I'm on a 30-second, and usually when I'm on a smaller scale like this, I kind of just minimize my lot sizes. Yeah, I'm tapping in and go for a sell. This is gonna be a nice one. My TP is going to be, hold on. I lied. I kind of got in right here, so I gotta be real with y'all. One-on-one trade is right there. Yeah, I was waiting on a breakout for gold. I'm in it now, though. Like I said, this is a risky one, but I see my midpoint tapped in right there. Really, honestly, this is the midpoint now. This is my extreme. Off of this little minor range, breaking this low.
What's up? Give me your trust.
Oh shit. Hold on. Oh, we already tapping down quick. Let's see. 1677.8. The minimum RR I like to go for is a 1-on-1, and then if I move the trade, usually I always take half, and I just keep riding the trade out. Like I said, dollar is still it's fishy, man, to me. So today isn't a trading day for you. Just look at it, it's still dropping, y'all. So like, yeah, like we will see. Here's what I'm in right now. I'm trading Henko trade, so usually the spreads are a lot less. So that's why I like that one standard. It might seem like a lot in other brokers, but with Henko trade is not. And I do have a bigger account now, so yeah. So great question. Iced out. So you asked, why do I take half out when it gets to 101? Wouldn't that mean you're making your trade a 1.5 every time? No. So let's say that you get in a trade, your first trade. Let's say you. So there's a couple ways you can do this. Because when I mean half, I also sometimes mean if I'm in as you see with USD, yen, I have 2 trades right now. So what I mean by that is once the first trade hits a 101, I'm gonna exit out that trade. The second trade, I am going to ride it, but move my stop loss to break even, so this trade is risk free. So if it goes left, I still may. I think if it hits TP1, I would probably be like $500-600 in profit, or $800 in profit, something like that. So if it goes left, then even if I move my stop loss to a little profit for my second trade, right, which would be one of these, I would still be in money. I would still be profitable for the day. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I like to do that. And that works. Even it works if you do take out half, right? If you want to take out half, that will also be the same exact thing. So yeah, that's why I do that. Yeah, the market is very it's slow because of the hour right now. So UJ could probably be like taking his time to get up there. Y'all know if it does, we gotta. All right, y'all, we just smashed TP1. So now he asked this question: would I take half out? So since this was a small trade, I'm going to exit out this whole entire trade now, and then just leave that alone. That's my 101. Now, if I wanted to ride that trade out further, I can take out half and then keep riding the trade out. But like I said, 101 trades, I don't care what you guys do, just make sure the trade is risk free by the time it gets to 101. You could take out all, you could take out half. You can just move your stop loss to break even to keep riding it. Just make sure the trade is risk free. I promise you, if you stick to this method, this is how you have a higher win ratio, right? So far, we're doing good with our win ratio. I think we're at like 80% around. 79 is usually 76 is usually my average a year, but that's usually how we keep a high win ratio, just because we want to manage this trade. Guys, y'all can't control the market. We can't control the market. Market can go left whenever it chooses to, because it's very fucked up. Like sometimes they can just say, fuck it, let's just make this go up. So if that's the case, why not try to make sure you can minimize this trade, especially if you 50% in your profit, right? Let's say that you taking a 1 to 6 and you're all the way down here and you're still having your TP or your stop loss right there. Like, come on now, we got to make sure we can at least do something to catch some dollars. So that's what I like to personally do. I found that works best for me. I mean, shit, that's how I grow accounts. That's how I pass challenges, by doing that method. And I know that works for me. I don't know what works for y'all, but I'm just telling you that works for me. And I do see a lot of other traders that also trade like that as well. So, I'm just letting y'all know, like, it's a nice way to stay profitable, and have really high win ratios. So we got, we got 1W. Y'all seen with gold, I had a small lot size. Usually I would do 3 lots with gold from my account. And then if you are still riding this, make sure you move your stop loss to break even. So let's move our stop loss to break even for everybody else that is riding this. And if we hit that break even, we're going to look for another entry. I promise you, that's all it is, y'all. You got to just simplify it. I am looking for a bigger play, though. Let me go back on in 1 minute. I am looking for a bigger play. This is the low I want it to come down to. I do expect this to happen more so after hours. That's what I like to say. Are you using a funded account right now, or are you using I'm using a personal, but next week I'm going to be doing my funded account, because we're doing a giveaway for funded accounts as well too. So I got a small funded account, to be honest with y'all. I like to trade more with my personal, man. I just have more flexibility. As y'all see, I'm risking like more than 5% per trade, that's for sure. But it's crazy because funded accounts is actually what taught me proper risk management. Legitimate. It taught me proper risk management. Is this still okay? Let's see if we can tap in these lows. This liquidity all build up right here. Do I trade the 30 second? No, I trade. My entries is 5 minute and under. I do also look for entry day trades sometimes, usually like the 15-minute time frame. My strategy is exactly what I'm showing you guys right now. Everything you see me trade, I'm showing you how I'm trading it. That's my strategy. But I think you probably just want me to simplify it. It's probably what you're saying, but you know, this is pretty much what I'm doing right now. We're still in UJ. I tapped out of gold already. Show you guys real fast. Oh wait, are we at 10,000 on my account? Nah, not yet. I'm gonna do it with y'all. Let me ask some of you guys to see where y'all heads at. If we were to get this account, if you were to get this account to $10,000 from a $4,000 starting point, would you take money out or would you let it keep riding? Like, how would you guys go about it? I'm just curious to see, because this is all part of psychology and risk management. Kevin, y'all appreciate it. You would take out. Y'all would take out. Okay. Somebody said, I'll keep in. Run it. I'll run it. Take some money out. Okay. I'll take $2,000 out to $3,000 and leave the rest in. Okay. I'm going to take my initial investment out. I would take out the 4K. Keep half. Just jump in. You know, I'm in UJ for a buy right now. 2K. Take 6K out. I'll take some money out. I would take half out. So y'all see how everybody has a different bias? Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. At the end of the day, as long as you can make your investment risk-free, that is what you want to do. So if you want to take out your initial deposit, $4,000, that's actually what I am going to do. I'm going to take out my initial deposit. So now my total account is risk-free. So at this point, y'all can do the most dumbest thing if y'all want to. I'm just saying that just because you already got your money back. At the end of the day, it is best to obviously invest money to make more money, but I would rather know if I'm investing into something and it was a shitty investment, at least can I get my money back? You know, that's how I feel. But yeah, you got people that will up their size. Like I said, yeah, we just hit TP2, y'all, for our 30-second entry. Yes, sir. We just hit TP2. So we are out for a 30-second entry. If you guys want to ride this trade further on to here, at this point, do whatever you want. Make it risk-free. Make it risk-free. This is literally how I do it. However, I'm already in GU, so I'm not going to re-enter or do anything crazy right now, because we're in GU right now, and I'm in some crazy lot sizes with GU. Crazy lot sizes. So we at 10,000 right now. Oh, hold on. What is going on? What is going on? We must be booming right now. Ah, we are booming. Look at that, y'all. I think I'm about to get out. Let me see something. My account is looking beautiful right now. Like, I'm live trading this. This is a fucking goal for me right now. I'm getting out of one trade. I got out of one trade. I tapped out. One trade. Now my account is at 10. Oh, this is amazing. Fuck, I just tapped out. I'm in one. I'm still gonna ride the other trade though. I'm moving my stop loss to break even with my other trade. Smart money concept or price action? What's better? So, all right. Let me break down my style of trading. I know we got a lot of smart money traders in here. I actually put that as a title. But I'm gonna break down how I trade. So I actually add a lot of things into mine. So when people say, "Are you just a smart money concept trader?" I don't even know what a real smart money concept trader really is. I'm gonna be honest with you. Maybe you might see it as, "Oh, you are one," or you might see it as, "Oh no, you have half." So this is what I do. I'm gonna break down my strategy. My strategy is this: I look for an impulsive trend. An impulsive trend. I am an Elliott wave trader. So when I say Elliott wave, I know that inside of every impulsive there could essentially theory. This is all a theory, guys. This is not real facts. Everything is a theory. Whack-off theory, Elliott wave theory, all of that, right? I know there's 5 waves inside of an impulsive trend. Every impulsive trend, you should be able to spot 5 waves, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Did you guys know when I say, every time I say a midpoint, when I look for a range, I look for my midpoint and my extreme. In Elliott wave terms, I am referring to, I look for it to tap inside wave 4, or I look for it to tap inside wave 2. Usually that's where the extreme is at. So when market taps into these areas, I just simply wait on a break market to create a low, right? If it creates a low there, I wait on it to break out, and then sometimes I will trade the breakout depending on the overall picture. So if I see on a daily that we're already going down, on 4 hour, if everything is aligning from a higher scale to lower scale, I just trade the breakout. If it's not aligning, usually I will wait on a pullback after it breaks structure. A lot of you guys would say change your character. A lot of you guys say it breaks the low, support. I don't care. Once it breaks that low, I then simply wait on wick rejections, engulfing candles. That's literally it. I'm looking for see if there's more wicks up top, less wicks at the bottom. If I see that, I trade it, and I get in and I do a simple 1-on-1 to my next lows, and then I use my Fibonacci. I drop from the most recent range to the end of the range, and I use these 2 levels to get my other like TP levels if I want to ride the trade further down. That is my strategy. Hopefully that was simple enough for some of y'all. So I don't know if y'all call that smart money or if y'all call that whatever, but that is how I look at the market, and that's how I trade. I do full videos all the time on my strategy. Where did you study? I did a lot of self-taught. I learned from a lot of I would probably tell you one great trader that I learned. Well, it's really self-taught. I taught myself, I educated myself with books on Elliott wave. That's what really got me into like understanding the impulsive trend, understanding this. So when a lot of people talk about this smart money concept, I already know what they're referring to. So you got a lot of people that might got into trading their first year and they just got into the smart money concept traders. So I know a lot of you that is new to trading, right? You might be new to trading, and the very first concept that came to you was smart money concept trading. So now you think that everything is based off smart money concept. And me, I'm that underdog that'll tell you that ain't true. It's all rebranded because whack-off is implemented in that. Supply demand is based off whack-off, and then you got these things, these new phrases. Y'all might correct me. I know we got some smart money traders in here that's really good at it. Y'all will say that a POI level supposed to mean point of interest. In my eyes, that's just where every time you see a settlement in the market, and what a settlement in the market is when you see a green and red candle. That right there is supply, demand, a high, a low, an order block, and such and such. People also call it area of interest. People call it shit, man. I can go on with the names, but like I said, it's the names that gets people confused, and they think that, oh, it's not. It's about the reaction of the market, meaning that what is it reacting off of? Like you see that this low has been broken. That means basically the reaction is market is still trending down, and we could be looking for those opportunities to trend down and such and such. All right, so let's see, guys. We are still up. I'm still holding my other UJ trade. I wanted to tap in. Hold on. All right, guys. So we only got one. Technically, we about to get 2 winners for the day, which is the average. Hold up, y'all. We ain't even at 300 likes, and we got over 400 people, about to be 500 people watching my streams. Come on, y'all. please like this video. I would greatly appreciate that, y'all. I really feel like we can get these likes up way more than what they are. Like, we can definitely get these up way more than what they are. Take my name, man. What do you mean take my name? You keep saying take my name, bro. What are we talking about? Please don't spell my account or my chat with take my name. I have to, yeah. Hey Solo, do you have any videos explaining how you approach when the news are not necessarily? Can we enter and go? No, not yet, not yet. Appreciate the streams. Yeah. How you say your name, man? Gold is almost ready. Yeah, yeah. All right. Facts, y'all eating up. Okay, appreciate the gold sale. Yes, sir. Hey, if y'all made money off that little 30-second gold sale, go ahead and drop a fire emoji. He probably want me to call his name. I'm pretty sure he does. I feel you. If you stay out of high risk trade, stay out of it. If you stay in high risk trade, stay out of it. I got stopped out. How you get stopped out? $30 and under are high risk trades for sure. However, I'm still waiting on this bigger play setup. So we did break this structure. Oh wait, we still riding this one. If you are still riding this one, let me go ahead and close out of that. We got this trade going. So guys, yeah, this would have been the other area because we breaking out these lows now. This is that low that I want to see. Now it broke out of it. Rounds. Yeah, I feel like this is in the way. I'll keep it there. Somebody said withdraw. Tony, you said withdraw and start over. No, I'm gonna take some money out. I ain't taking all the money out. I did that before and I lost it all. I'm like, damn. No, I'm definitely not doing that. Still in UJ right now. Hold on, y'all. I like to keep a clean chart. Let me just clean up some of this. All right, so with gold, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I want it to top back up here before I can sell it. For anybody that's looking for re-entry or still hasn't entered yet, because I know, you know, it might have been a risky trade. I'm still looking on it to top up here in order for me to re-enter. That's just honesty. I'm not going to force it. The reason why I would rather wait on it to come up here is because the bigger play is that dollar. You know, dollar's doing this thing, but dollar is still in heavy consolidation. It has been like that. So it could mean that gold could be doing the same thing. But I wanted to tap up here because I want my stop loss to be right here. Because if I entered off my midpoint, I could do that, but my stop loss would be tight. And I'd rather just, I have a better position here. So I am going to wait on gold for re-entry to come literally right around 1.6. Let's get an even number. No, we can't. We're looking to come around 1679.034. What's my favorite trading channel? Come on, it's this one. I'm be honest, back in the day, there was one trader I looked up. I can't remember his name. It's Wave Trader. He's I promise you, he doesn't have no followers like a lot of y'all, a lot of these new traders or a lot of these other big YouTubers have. He probably has a very small following, but I learned a lot from him. He's actually what got me into wave theory. You know, all he does is trade wave patterns. That's basically all he does, right? That's how he looks at market. But I learned Elliott Wave. I got introduced to Elliott Wave while watching some of his videos. And then I mastered Elliott Wave to where I teach it to simplify it, you know, as much as I can. Oh yeah, we got 500. This is our first time hitting all-time high, y'all. This is mad fucking dope. I love it. I need everybody to go ahead and drop a like, man. Let's get this to 400 likes. I would appreciate that.
Through the process had me furious, but I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah, hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah, hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah.
Man, I appreciate that, yo. You saying I love that. Appreciate that. My goal is to be the biggest trading live stream YouTuber out, man. That would be mad dope, man. I don't know the other one. I just use Hanko Trade and iSpring FX to trade. I appreciate that, Michael. I appreciate that. Michelle, I appreciate all that. Yeah, I just appreciate all that, man.
I took that leap of faith, yeah, I really dove off. Nothing I need to say, I let the word show off. For my kids, I go hard, gotta go hard. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah, hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah, this one for the
Ooh, we got another set. Y'all showing so much love. Make sure y'all subscribe because I go live. Like I said, every day we're going to be going live, man. And we're doing good so far. And I just want to keep this vibe up, man, and keep going up and keep going up. What platform do you use? TradingView? I use TradingView. Yes. Which funded platform are you recommending? I recommend what's it? I have iSpring FX though, but I'm gonna be honest with you. My personal top 5, really, I don't know if I got top 5, but I would say it would be my Forex fund would be number 1. It's really number 1 or number 2 because FTMO is definitely in the top tier. I'd probably put FTMO number 1, just because they've been around longer. They customer service is amazing. Their back end, I love it, simple. And then I have my Forex funds because of the pricing is just so much cheaper, and they don't require you to trade with so much. That's the only thing about my Forex funds. And then I like number 3, Offspring FX, because they do every single week. They do every single week for payouts. That's why I like Offspring FX. The back end is good. I know, but compared to FTMO, it's not. But they're getting there though, you know. And then there's a lot of other ones I haven't tapped into yet. So those really, I guess, top 3. My leverage is 1 to 500. You learning so much here, man. That's fire, man. Taking trades that make sense rather than taking a guess. Yeah. I try to make sure I tell you guys before why I'm getting in the trade, because as I'm talking, it's like y'all hear me like this is what I'm doing. So like I said, we'll go right now, guys. Right now we'll go. We probably about to hit a break even, possibly. I'm gonna be honest with you. The setup I'm looking for, we gotta hit break even. If you guys are riding this trade further out, it's cool. We're gonna get another entry. For those that still riding gold out, I hope you guys move your stop loss to break even. And if you get tapped out, we're gonna re-enter in the market, man. I promise y'all. There's so much money to be made right now, and we just gotta understand that we can't feed greed in the market, man. We can't feed greed. Oh, Michelle, you said this channel is helping my psychology, and I'm grateful. That's my biggest problem holding trades. I'm glad you said that. You know, you're not the only one. That's like 90% of traders. Like, everybody think it's the strategy. Everybody thinks this is the strategy, and it's not the strategy. It's really not. The strategy is 20% of being successful in trading. The rest is all this. It's all this. And I'm hoping y'all see how I handle my mental. Like me personally, when I get in the trade, I can't physically sit here and watch the trade like this. I can't. That's why sometimes y'all see me tap out and start looking at other things if y'all haven't noticed that. And I'm showing you guys this is real facts. As a human, we are all human. I cannot sit here and monetize this trade like this. I really cannot. I have so much fucked up anxiety that I can't do that. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I would rather set myself up before very well, right? As y'all see, that's basically why I say I wait on the setup. I don't just immediately trade it, because if I do that, my everything would be messed up for me. But I would rather wait on the setup, and then right when that setup occurs, I will get ready to say, all right, it's time to enter. And then when I enter, you know, that's when I'll be like, all right, let me check another thing, or I step away from the computer, and then such and such. I don't trade with, I have stop loss, but what I'm basically saying is, if I'm literally on my computer watching my trades, or like around my computer where I can move, you know, easily get to a trade, I don't have a stop loss because I already have my stop loss set mentally, right? If I'm away from my computer, or if I'm like driving, I always put my stop loss down. And then guys, by the way, when I add a stop loss, I don't do exactly the stop loss that is on TradingView, because if you are actually trading like a TradingView broker that is, or a broker that is already integrated with TradingView, then you're good. But for me, I usually adjust my stop loss like 5 to 10 pips out, like somewhere here on my broker, just in case, because you know, a lot of times the spreads are different. The market moves a little differently. You've been with my channel for over a year, bro. That's love. That's love. Y'all see gold tapping in. Tapping in. What dollar's doing? All the time frames, you should be able to see it. It's up here for one, and then also if you look at the watermark, you see one. That's 1 minute. You will see 30 seconds, so it'd be 30s. Like right now, I don't have my setup. Like gold is dropping right now, and if it continues to drop, I missed out for another re-entry. But I'm not tripping for obviously one. We already took a gold trade. Y'all know we took that gold trade, 30-second gold trade from here, tapped in, hit RTPs, which gave us that W for the day. And then also I already took profit Y'all see, remember we took profit on, I took profit, but we're still riding the trade overall. I just took profit on, damn, where's it at? History. I took profit on UJ right there, you know, but I'm still riding the other trade. I just know it's about to be dead season because y'all know it's about to be what? It's 11. It's 11 right now where I'm at. And like I said, dollar is in minor consolidation. My bad, not major consolidation. Minor consolidation. Bigger scale, yeah, it is in major consolidation, but also here it's just in consolidation. So we're gonna be getting a lot of this. But dollar's been holding, UJ been holding strong. And the reason why this been holding strong going up is because even though dollar's been doing this, what yen been doing is dropping. Y'all see this drop? This is what we said earlier in my stream, that it's going to be dropping. It's reacting off of this impulsive trend. Remember I said an impulsive trend, you usually have 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is my midpoint. This is my extreme. So that's what I mean by earlier that I implement Elliott wave altogether just to simplify it. So that's what's happening. I'm looking for it to continue to drop. It's been dropping. If we go on a 4 hour, I know I'm always on the 1 hour, 1 minute, but look on a higher scale. Yeah, it's been dropping. It's been dropping. It's been dropping. So why we expect it to shoot up? It's been dropping. Look at this range from here to here. Right, I'm bigger picture. I wanted to tap up here before shooting further down, but as far as the minor moves go, this is what we got going on. A lot of traders get caught up in a bigger picture and think that, oh, I'm not going to trade because I'm scared because I'm the bigger picture. But then if you start understanding how to adjust all time frames together, it becomes very simple. And the only way to really make it easy is make sure everything aligns. It's up to you, man. I'm honestly, I had 2 bootcamp spots open for December, but I think I'm gonna close them and just focus mainly on, I just focus on some other stuff. For those that don't know, I just tapped into like real estate too. I just got a space where I'm gonna be renting out per hour. It's a photo, I'm gonna turn it into a videography room and a theme. It's gonna be like a gangster Chicago 80s theme. It's gonna be so dope, man, so dope. Make sure y'all subscribe, man, because I'm gonna be posting that in the community tab section of like the space I got. So dope, man. And I got another space I'm getting as well. That's gonna be more of a loft. I'm turning that whole space into like a podcast, into videography for online creators and so forth. Like I said, I'm tapping into a lot, man. A lot of this money that I make, I'm trying to make it passive. So that's why I'm tapping into like a lot of real estate stuff. And also investing into a storefront. One of my guys, he is a manager there, or it's actually his store, but I also invested into that as well. So I do angel investing as well. I like to be low key with my investments. I said iSpring FX. Let me show you, actually, I can show you a picture. So you guys see, it's probably bad. Right there, that's my space. It's a green room. Right now I'm looking for painters. I actually already got a painter contacted. We're gonna turn this room black. There's gonna be an accent wall in there. And then also, this is my other space. I just got 2. Y'all see it's got like 5 rooms inside there. And just show you guys like the lighting and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm really getting tapped into like a lot of other things too. So y'all know. Let's see. I just want to. Yeah, we already had a one-on-one trade with you, Jay. I didn't realize that. That's what's up. Do I only trade Forex pairs? Yeah, indices, foreign exchange. I don't do crypto. Or if you're asking like if I trade stocks, I don't trade stocks. Really, if you're asking if I leverage trade, that is all I do. Leverage trade. Leverage trade is Forex, is what a lot of people say. Margin trading too, same. Basically the same. I don't do options. I suck at that. I don't do anything else. I don't. So guys, with UJ, we end up hitting that 1-on-1 trade. I didn't realize. Now look, y'all see how UJ just did this big drop right here? This is what I say is very important for us to minimize these trades. So now that it's doing this drop, my whole bias of what I anticipated originally is done. Not necessarily done, but I now have to shift my whole bias. Right? No, we don't have any news, do we? No, we don't. I keep thinking there's news. Gold is still holding up very well though after this big drop is happening with a dollar. And you guys see that this is our new liquidity low. We're tapping in that now. We're tapping in that now. We're tapping in that now. So we end up hitting a 1-on-1 with UJ. Anybody made money on UJ? I'm curious. Drop a fire emoji or just go ahead and drop some if y'all made money on UJ too. What's up with the private VIP signals? I want to join. Yeah, if you are interested in joining, you can definitely tap into that. This is the link. Okay, yeah, because I ended up taking that first trade, that 1-on-1 trade, right? This is where we at right now. Are you guys did anybody close out any UJ trade, or y'all still holding it overall? So yeah, I see you going in this on some of the golden nuggets, bro. Thanks, bro, for the time. Yeah, absolutely. Trading psychology, being fearless and trusting the payout. Yes, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Let's see. Holding as well. Still in. Still making money. Okay. All right. I closed out one. Okay, you closed out one, Michelle. Okay. Mine are closed. Okay, good, good. I closed 1-1 TP. Perfect, man. But it might hit my BE. Okay, let it hit your BE. I promise y'all, if y'all did not make money off this trade, let it hit your BE if you did move your stop loss. I promise you, there is another re-entry. I'm going to tell you why. I want you to understand something. If dollar is dropping this aggressively, but then we see yen is also dropping on a higher scale, guess what? This is still remaining strong right now. If you guys also look at this, we got all of this range right here, right? We got a lot of this going on right now. So market could either do one or two things. For anybody that trades wave patterns, this is a pattern that I like to call a leading diagonal, an Elliott wave. This is what a leading diagonal looks like. It will do 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then it will come down, right? Tap into a range, an order block range, which could be this one, and then go up. And then this becomes a bigger ABC pattern, which is taught an Elliott wave known as a zigzag, a flat, or anything else. So then from here is when I draw my Fibonacci from this low to this high, and then right there in between, know what's right there, liquidity resting right there high. I always like to take TP 50% in there. This is how I usually get like more confirmation for myself and more confidence for this trade to go further on. So what I'm gonna basically be saying is this trade is possibly hold on. Okay, so this trade possibly we can reach right back down to these lows again right here, which would be these lows right here, and then tap back up. So if you guys are in it, don't get discouraged, because that's how I see it. Actually, I'm gonna be honest with you, we could get another re-entry, and this is actually something I'm gonna post in my community. This is our re-entry, tapping in this POI level right here. If I had 2 entries, I would have taken out one. Yeah, that's what I did. I took out one, but it's all good, man. Some people said they got in 2 entries, took out 50%. It's all good. Yeah. Oh, definitely don't over risk. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's smart of you. That's very smart of you. You don't want to over risk. You do not want to over risk. So all right, guys, hold on one second. I am going to post this info. All right, guys. All right, let me do one thing, guys. Hold on. This is the setup that I would like to see. We're actually going to do a limit order with this trade. You said poor resolution on your phone. This is UJ. This is UJ. Hold on, guys. Entry point would be this would be a buy limit order. I'm pretty sure this trade might actually occur during Asian or London session. Let's see, stop loss. Yeah, there we go. We'll do that. Someone said bull trade. That's what we got possibly for that though. That's if. Oh, y'all look at that. Golly. If gold is being this aggressive off a little pullback, there's no telling how far gold can shoot down, y'all. Wow, that's crazy. This one did tap in. It did tap in here too. I just didn't get nothing. I didn't even put an alert, but it's all good. Oh, it's gonna be another opportunity, y'all. So with gold, like I just said, I was seeing I wanted to tap in more, but that's cool. And then seeing that this is our new low right here, right there, it broke through and then it finally did that move. This would have been a golfing candle to sell it. I'm gonna wait on another entry. I know it is gonna happen. And then at this time, this time of the hour, y'all, not gonna happen. Not much is gonna be going on anyway. Probably get major consolidation at this point. Somebody said bold trades interesting. Explains why you're so successful. I appreciate that. No, I definitely appreciate all the love, comments that you guys are sending my way, man. So, all right, basically, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put that we did take another W with the UJ because that was our first. That was the 101. However, like I said, though, please listen to what I'm saying right now. I'm not obviously telling y'all a signal or anything. I'm just telling you what I see is that I do see it can still pull further down. And if it does, these are some levels I am interested in. I mean, we got a lot of levels that we could be curious because you see a lot of these liquidity areas is resting here. But since I see a lot of this is happening, I usually like to go for my extreme just to make it 20 times easier for me, because if I always go for my extreme low, I put myself in a better position for a risk, meaning that my stop loss doesn't have to be too far out, because I don't do a 20 pip stop loss rule or 10 pip stop loss rule. I literally go off of structure. That's why I like to wait on setups and don't just always take every trade. So for me, I know my extreme is here because this is a range. So since I see that, I'd rather have my stop loss here because we could still tap down here. And if that's the case, then I lose out this trade. It'll be even way more better for me. If I know the overall picture is going up, this would be the best entry for me. Like literally, right? So this is my best entry if we get there. But like I said, we probably not even gonna tap down there. If so, this is what I'm looking for. And if it does tap here, I just wait on a minor high to be formed and then let it break out. And then right there, that tells me right there, boom, we're good. So yeah, guys, so we did good once again. This today we end up with 2 W's. We're still riding a trade though. I'm still riding my trade right now, right? And I'm gonna keep riding this trade. I will probably re-enter too if this trade happens later down the road. But once again, we 2 W's. Last Friday we did 3 W's, no L's. Today we did 2 W's. I just like how we all can be live and all share ideas and stuff like that. So this is what's up, guys. Guys, once again, we're doing a giveaway, as you see up there. Today is the day where it starts. Today is the day where you guys have to join Hanko Trade. If you don't already have an account with Hanko Trade, make sure you use that link up top, because that's the only way we can see who's profitable or who will be profitable. And then you have this entire week to trade. Whoever has the most profits as far as percentage wise, then basically, guys, you will be able to win $500. I believe we're choosing 4 to 3 winners. You'll be able to win $500, and then that is what we're going to announce. I'm probably going to have to announce it Friday, if not Friday. Probably not Friday, because Friday won't make sense. I'm gonna have to announce it on Monday. And then as I announce that on Monday, I will be also announcing a new giveaway that we will be doing for funded accounts. Okay. Yeah, everybody drop that like, drop that like. Somebody asked about gold. I see gold shooting down, but it's probably gonna be in correction for some time. You know, I appreciate y'all. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna sign out. I got things to do, and y'all, we live tomorrow. We're gonna be actually live tomorrow at 8:15. I'll keep y'all posted. Make sure if y'all not subscribed, subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Everybody, peace and love. Have a great week or a great day. Peace.
All I got the bros in the game with me. This is real shit. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but I'm gone for the wrong. Please don't come around unless it bros. Please leave me alone unless it bros. Please. I could do it all alone. Fucking on my zone, don't be fucking on my mental. I got Billy trucks, I'm all for. When I'm not in love, I don't feel the same. When I'm Billy trucks, I'm all for. I don't know what's up, I can't think straight. Whoa.